portray certain aspects of respiration that are normally difficult to conceptualize. For instance, how are oxygen and food taken into the body related to carbon dioxide, waste, and urine? Observe the athlete. What external evidences of breathing do you see? The rise and fall of the chest, the movement of air through the nose and mouth are external evidences of breathing. The white arrow and dots represent inhaled air containing oxygen. The gray arrow and black dots represent exhaled air containing carbon dioxide. Observe the position of the lungs. How do you explain what you've seen? External respiration takes place as oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse from the bloodstream through the alveoli and back. Inside the walls of the lung, we can illustrate the exchange of gases by using a tugboat pulling a barge to represent circulation of the bloodstream. What do you think was happening in the picture you have just seen? Muscle cells, like all cells of the body, need food and oxygen to do work. The faster the action, the more food and oxygen are needed. Food is indicated by green dots on the barge. What idea about muscle activity was just represented? Just as a power plant requires raw materials to release energy and its residue of waste products, so does a muscle. In this case, the raw materials, food and oxygen, are delivered to the factory by the barge in the bloodstream. Observe the release of energy and removal of carbon dioxide and wastewater. How do these pictures explain what goes on in the muscles? Oxygen, carried by red blood cells and carbon dioxide, usually transported in the plasma in the form of sodium bicarbonate, enter and leave the body through the lungs. Now think about what happens during respiration. What is waste?